Guess what I had in my bag, guys? 4S. I have to. I have to. I have to be back to work. But I have to. I can't. Oh, power. Here we go, guys. My heart's beating so fast. Ooh, that was a bad hit. That was a bad hit. That sucked, guys. I suck. I totally choked. Don't choke, Eric. It's not. Fix the bumper there, guys, with some cable. That was a bad body / roof hit. We should check. Yep. Time to put some new battery straps in, guys. She looks good. Everything's intact still. Alright. Maybe it's too soft now. Or maybe the 4S has just got so much juice. Oh my god, I'm trying to do it the wrong way. I'm rushing and I'm panicking. And this is why you don't rush things, guys. Just take your time, even when rushed. I wanted to stand behind it so I knew where those freaking rocks were. Still recording. I don't know if you guys can get the kind of scale of the size of the building. 8-foot doors, probably 10 foot high. Man, I'm sorry, guys. Nervous. Oh my God. I wanted to be closer. I wanted to be underneath it so you could really see the scale of the building, but I think that was probably a pretty good shot. So everything sounds good. S and 150 amp ESC will probably smoke this motor. Oh, that was a mistake. I don't know how my eyeball closed that quick. It's fucking amazing. I just took a rock right in the eye. 4S is dangerous. All right, what am I doing? Sorry about the crappy jumps, guys, on 4S. I tried. If it keeps defrosting the way it is, it's gonna be gone quick.